Guys, new year, new stuff. So we're going to be looking at something in Forex today, and I'm gonna bring you a new product. A lot of people come to me asking me, hey Ken, I want to trade Forex. Which is the best broker in Kenya? Where can I put my money and be sure that I'm safe? Like I always say, it's very important that you choose your broker properly, because that's where you're going to be putting your money. That's the bank in this case. They're going to be holding your cash. So you want to be sure that where you're putting your cash is somewhere that is going to ensure that that money is safe. So there's a new broker in town, not really new, but there's a good broker in town right now. A lot of people have been asking me questions. I'm going to be recommending these brokers, and please make sure you do your due diligence. Don't just take it because I've said it. I want to show you one of the best brokers for Forex and all other stuff, by the way. So you want to trade shares. Those people keep asking me, how do I buy S&P 500? How do I buy stocks abroad? How do I buy, international stocks? Guys, I'm giving you this right now. Take it to the bank. This is one of the best platforms you can now use to trade, to invest and hold for as long as you want, whatever it is you want to do. Forex, stocks, options, derivatives, whatever you want to do, this is going to be the platform, and we're going to be exploring it together. I'm going to show you how to open a demo account. For example, if you want to trade Forex, you must open a demo, or even stocks, you must open a demo account to practice and try your strategies out before you can then go live. So this is just going to be a video whereby I'm going to just show you my screen and show you the new bull in town. So it is called FxPesa. FxPesa is a trading platform. It is a product of EGM Securities. So I know these things will just sound, funny to you. Let's go to my screen and then I can show you everything you want to see. Let's go. It's a product of EGM Securities. So this is like the mother company. So then again, you don't have to do so much in here. I'm not going to really tell you do much. I'm just telling you that it's a product of EGM Securities, and if you want to explore further and try to understand more about it, this is where you'll come to. So you'll come to EGM Securities. But today we are concerned more about FxPesa, which you will be using to trade Forex, trade shares, trade everything else, which I'm going to tell you what are some of the things you can actually trade. So let's look at it, guys. Let's look at it. Up here, we have a real account. If you want to trade with real money, again, we're not going to go there because you don't want to trade with real money at the moment. Then we have a demo account. A demo account is where you can start practicing your strategies, practicing trading before you can actually, get to a live account, whereby your money is now going to be on the line. So that's a demo account. Then you can also have a login access. Anytime you come back, you want to access your account, which is probably your real account in this case. And in this case, you're going to have to have your login details ready. But by that time, we'll get there, don't worry. For now, we're looking at the overview first, okay? These are mobile payments. So if you want to fund your account, you have M-Pesa funding, which is very straightforward. Visa, MasterCard, Airtel Money, Skrill, MTN. These are just so many, there are so many ways in which you can top up your account, or you can also withdraw money. So let's say you made money on Forex, you want to withdraw money, this is the place to be. By the way, those who want to trade Forex, I train Forex. It's a one-on-one mentorship. Make sure you contact me if you want that help. Anyway, guys, so let's see FxPesa here. What are the products? For example, we have currencies, we have indices. Those who know indices. We have commodities. You have US shares, UK shares, EU shares, fixed leverage. That's a different thing altogether. This is just basically telling you, the leverage level, the holiday hours, and stuff like that. But the things you can actually trade, we have NSC derivatives, crypto, contract for differences. As in all these products, guys, every product you can imagine is here. What would you be looking for? Okay, what would you be looking at for? So they have different platforms as well. Sorry, let's. They have different platforms. They have FX Mobile, and they have FxPesa, my FxPesa, where you'll be having your account, MT4 platform, MT5. Of course, MT5 is right now the most advanced. Those who know the trading platforms, the advantages of different platforms. Again, you can find this information online. But yeah, they have different platforms as well. So depending on what you want to use, and of course, sometimes the device you're using as well. Okay, you want to trade on your mobile phone, deal. You want to trade on MT4, deal. Whatever product you're using, they support different things, and what you feel most comfortable with or what you like. You can always find support and all the other stuff. Contact them about them if you want to read more. That's the thing. So let's see what they're saying here. Trade on the go, download FxPesa app. You can download FxPesa app on your phone and trade as you go to work. You just in the matatu going to work, and there you are trading, man. Trading in global markets, currencies, oil, gold, equities, anything you want to buy. You can start learning how to trade basic stuff in here as well. Easy peasy, guys. Start learning how to trade right on this platform, and again, trade on the go. So these are some of the things that the overview, register, trade live button, and fill in the live account form, verify your account, which is done for you when it's called an onboarding process. You fund your account and then you trade. Easy 4 steps process to starting trading with these people with FX-Pesa. So all you need to do is register, verify, fund, and trade. Of course, if you don't have any knowledge or skills, that will be gambling. So you need to make sure you know what you're doing before you go into those steps. And you can then start your journey. You can open a live account or open a demo account. Okay. And here it is, more information if you want to get more information, and some kind of caveat, the small print as we call them, making sure that you read the small print, make sure that you understand what the hell you're getting yourself into. Okay, so opening a demo account, that's all. Usually I encourage that you go to a demo account first for you to test the platform, understand the broker, understand everything happening. So I've opened just one, by the way. Okay, I opened mine. If you open here one, you will say, okay, open a demo account, for example. Probably it's gonna log into my own because I've done one already. But it just brings you a form that says, hey, enter your name, your number, and your city, and that's it. You are in. Okay, here it is. So here, enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, which platform do you wanna use, language preference, and then you submit, and then done. You have your demo account. That's what I just did a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna close that tab. I'm gonna have this tab on. I'm gonna close that as well because I have too many on. And then now you have this one. So Kenneth, your demo account is alive. This I just did right now, guys. It's very fast. I haven't been using it as well. Like I've been using other different stuff, but I've used their online version. So I've done a lot of research on these people, and I know what they. I've been talking to them for a long time. We've been discussing. We've been talking. We've been trying to understand. Okay, is this something that I can recommend to people? Is this something right for people? Is this something that is trustworthy? And I can tell you categorically, I haven't had any issues so far. So if you want to try it out with the demo account, you have there's nothing to lose. There's no risk. Okay, so one thing I want to mention is that if you come to log in, I said there are 3 places here. If you come back to log in, you will have your My FxPesa, which is basically a platform, like an online portal, really not a platform, but an online portal where you can manage your account and do so many things like withdrawals, deposits, and stuff. Mine is going to be a bit different because it's not a direct one. Mine is more like a partnership program. But this is where you come to if you want to manage everything else. It's like a portal. It's like an online portal where you can manage everything else happening in your account. And then you have the FX trader, the FX-Pesa trader, which is the platform. This is the trading platform. So this is the one you go to for you now to actually do what? Trade. So let's see. So yeah, there we are. I'd actually opened it earlier, so I'm going to close this other one just to make sure that you know. But yeah, this is, for example, yeah, before we go ahead, you see my name is here. You will find your dashboard like this. You'll find a lot of different stuff. Apart from mine, I think some of them are different. Mine will have things like referral tools. I'm not sure yours will have one, depending. But if you open FxPesa, my FxPesa, this is the platform. This is like the portal where you can manage a lot of stuff. So you find a dashboard which has like personal stuff. I can't show you that now. You have like I can have a client list and stuff, but your personal one will also be different. But it's just an online portal where you manage different stuff. But now if you want to go to the platform, then now you choose the platform you want. So you can go to, I want to do it on the web. I don't want to download. If you want to download to Windows and, all these things, they have all these options up here. Desktop platform, web platforms as well, and mobile platforms. So I have launched this one, but I don't have launched it again because it's here already. That's the same one that's here. So that brings you to the platform right here. And now that's where now you get the gist of trading. Now this is where you have everything you want to trade. You have your Forex, you have everything, stocks, commodities, indices, whatever it is you want to trade. It's as easy as that. So this is just an overview of this platform and how to get in. Number one, I'm not going to go into details of analysis. We will do a lot of that, by the way, in the future. I was trying to tell you how to get this platform up and start trading. So the main thing you have to understand is that you have the portal, then you have the trading platform, and you can choose whichever trading platform fits your needs. Now let's see. So if we maximize this and make the full screen, you need to get used to your platform. Okay, you need to make sure that you can understand what is happening in your platform. If you, for example, have a car that you can drive, it doesn't make sense, right? So again, you would want to log in if you come to your platform, again, to require certain details. That's a very simple process. It will be very self-explanatory, but this is how the platform looks. I think the platform looks good. The candlesticks are looking good. It's very clear. I've initially found it to be too tiny in between, but of course you can always maximize the page. This one is too tiny. You can't do much here really. So you want to reduce this pen, which I've tried to reduce. It didn't go through. I don't know if it's possible, but that's something we can work with it, because we just close the whole thing and then we don't have to have all these pairs here. As long as you've chosen the pair you want to trade, you don't have to worry about about this small space here. You just need to close them out and then you can easily trade. But yeah, this is the trading platform. We will go deeper. I'll do a video on the trading platform, on analysis, and how we can change the timelines and time frames and the chart types, and do some simple technical analysis on this platform. So today it was all like onboarding, basically introducing you to the new broker in town. If you want to trade Forex, you want to trade stocks, you want to invest, you want to buy stocks abroad, this is the place to be. So here we are. Let me just make sure that so these are just basically, this is that's Forex, commodities, stocks if you want to here, indices if you want to here. We even have NSE, I believe, down here somewhere. We have NSE derivatives as well. So it's a very simple platform to understand, in my opinion. If you're someone who is used to trading, should have some kind of experience, you can always find ways around it. We have Nike. If you want to buy all these stocks that you keep saying, oh, I want to buy stocks, I want to invest, these are investments. Get going guys. So I'm going to leave it there. I don't want to make a very long video, but this was just to basically help you. If you want to trade, you sell, you want to buy, this is how you trade. How many pips? We'll go into all these details with time, because I've done this on my channel already. You know how to do technical analysis. This is just to introduce this amazing platform to you guys. And like I said, you can always maximize, okay? And then you can do your analysis, and they have all types of charts here, time frames, and different things that you'd want to learn here. Now what I usually do is that I try to learn my chart as much as possible. Okay, try to learn your chart, try to understand your chart. So we're going to understand this together. We're going to understand how to use it, but I think it's very simple. It's more like the ones I've been using before. It's a very straightforward chart, looking at it. And this is where you make money, guys. This is where you make money. This is where you make the money. Otherwise, guys, let me know what you think about this particular platform. If you manage to open it, I'm gonna leave a link below. Use the link. It's gonna take you straight to where you need to get all these details, what you need to understand. And you can also ask me questions in the comment section. If you have any doubts, have any fears, ask me questions in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to allay any fears you may have. So guys, I hope that's been helpful. Let's see. So that's the parent company, that's the trading platform. And remember, this is the portal, which again, you'll have your own portal. So you have the trader platform, and you have the portal where you can manage stuff. You can withdraw your own money, you can deposit your own money, you can do transfers and stuff like that. So these are things that are just an overview of this particular platform. I hope you can open one, start trading, try the demo account, and come back with some kind of feedback. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, guys, thank you. Until next time, I'm out. Make sure you use the link below to get to FxPesa.